Question 3. It says a rational function is defined by fx equals a plus b over x minus c, where the parameters a, b, and c are all integers and x is an element of all the real numbers. So we have our diagram here. We know that the asymptote looks as though it's at 1, y equals 1, our horizontal. Our vertical's at x equals 3, and it passes through this point here of 1, 0. Now in part A, so state the values of a and the value of a and the value of c. So in our rational function up here, notice that the numerator of our fraction doesn't have a value for x. So therefore, if we were just looking at this part of the function here, the horizontal asymptote should occur on the x-axis at y equals 0. But there's been a vertical shift up a units. And notice that our horizontal shift has actually gone up to 1. So a must be 1 because it's shifted the graph up 1 unit. So a is equal to 1. And also, we know that x minus c, our denominator, if we let that equal to 0, we can find the vertical asymptote. Now the vertical asymptote occurs at 3, so c must be 3. Because if c was 3, we'd get x minus 3 on the bottom, on the denominator, and then we would make that equal to 0, and then therefore we get x equals 3, which is what we have. So c must equal positive 3. Okay, that's the value of a and c, and that's the answer to part A.